I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain your wetsuit. Come with me. You just got back from a surf, bodyboard, whatever you cooks get up to, and it's time to clean your suit. Ideally, you're going to fill up your bath with roughly 5 litres of water, but if you don't have one, you can use a bucket like this. Our wetsuit cleaner is both cold and warm water activated. Try not to put hot water in because it can damage the suit. Next, you need to add a roughly 25 ml of our all-natural wetsuit cleaning formula. Right, now we're going to just dunk it straight in. As with any cleaning, we're going to give it a good old scrub and make sure all that bubbly residue soaks into your wetsuit. Right, so now we let that soak for about 15 minutes or longer if you can. And I think that's time for a cup of tea. And we're back. So, unlike most other wetsuit cleaners on the market, our formula has anti-inflammatory properties, which means any soapy residue left on your wetsuit is actually going to help prevent wetsuit rash next time you're in the water. And it's as simple as that. If you get into this routine every time you've been in the water, your wetsuit will last longer. And that's it from us at Soap.